promised, I'm here at Bash Mountain with the Arrma Kraton V2 4S to see how it does at Bash Mountain. Let's just go. Pit crew Nate for the win. Fire it up.
We've got a 5,000 milliamp 4S Gen 2 100C discharge rating battery in here. This is definitely gonna launch it up Bash Mountain because this hit 53 miles an hour under my control when we did a speed test. So we're gonna hit Bash Mountain over 50 miles an hour.
Oh boy. Hello there, friend.
Yeah, it's waiting for its turn. This is a huge animal, I'm telling you what. The Kraton 4S is, the V2 is a beast. Oh, that hurt, yeah. So we like to get a little dry run down here at the base of the mountain. See how it handles before we launch it. We'll have a couple little bunny hops over here. All right, Abby's tearing it up. I actually had this sitting next to my little Vortex. I thought the Vortex was big, the 3S Vortex, which I love. I took that to Horizon RC Fest. That was a blast. And this thing just behemoths the Vortex.
Yeah, for 10th scale, this is massive.
They call this 10th scale?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
10th scale
Okay.
4S. The 6S is 8th scale, and the 8S is 5th scale.
And we're about to launch this 10th scale to the moon. Oh, okay. All right. Nice little hop, Abby. Let's hit it going back. Ooh, nice. Ooh, that was beautiful. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, you rode a wheelie over the hill, over the ramp. That's so awesome. Well, we've got this other little spot over here. Sometimes we find something small we can ramp around at, jump over, but the little ravine that's here is just a tiny little crack in the sidewalk for this giant RC. It's crazy. You could break something easily on that, Abby. We still need to fly up Bash Mountain. There's some loose rocks over there. By rocks, I do mean boulders. I'm actually thinking it is time to go ahead and launch this.
Oh my gosh.
At least the baby part of Bash Mountain. Woo-hoo-hoo. I can't decide which way it was getting better air. She'll decide for us. That was really good. Oh, you're landing it every time so far. That's the beauty of the Kraton. The whole lineup is so stable with that really wide wheelbase and then low center of gravity with the chassis. It's just a hard vehicle to flip, unlike something like the X Max or the Max. Those things are on their back more than they are on their wheels.
Actually, they're broken more than.
And that's funny I said that because
I did a terrible job saving that.
Finally flipped it.
I know, you always say things like that and then we flip it.
That's right.
But granted, I mean, look at what it just tried to make it through.
Perspective. Oh, ow, ow, Abby.
This is a terrible idea.
Yeah, let's go do Bash Mountain, yeah?
Just got.
That's what you have a husband for in gravity. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hey. Oh, you did it, okay. All right. What a beast, what a beast.
Trying to get me to stop that.
I was. Dragging the sticks.
Yeah, there.
Now she needs help. There it goes. Oh, snapped it. Oh, oh, oh. Stay away from the water. I am not going in there today.
It looks rather disgusting.
We're still a little on the sick side. It's actually taking a ton of energy out of us to come out in this heat and try to record this. Woo!
Nice. We are overgrown now that it's summer, but here's level 1 of Bash Mountain.
Abby, I don't know if we can even watch it make it. Okay, there we go. The right angle.
You'll have to like bend down right here.
Yeah. Okay, where will I be safe?
Right here.
Right here?
Or maybe right here. Go right here.
Yeah, behind you.
Yeah,
Good
so
idea. Okay, guys, here we go. Level 1, Bash Mountain, Kraton, 4S V2. She's just gonna baby it up, I know it. Oh man, okay. Branches. We have got to come and trim these branches away.
That's what I get for being stupid doing that.
It's all right, we got this.
I was just messing around.
I know that. We all know that.
Oh my goodness.
It's because we can't see, Abby. This is crazy. This is crazy.
It has changed quite a bit.
Yeah, the erosion plus the full-scale vehicles.
Right down the middle of it.
Yeah, yeah. But I still say the left side's the way to go.
And our toilet paper is gone.
It's gone, finally. There it is. Easy. Just walked right up. And here's the downside.
Mr. Miyagi of getting the cars back.
Oh, okay. My turn, finally.
You get to get it off Bash Mountain. He uses his sonar hearing. I don't know how you do that. I would have never been able to do that.
So that one was easy. I reversed.
That was
a
it.
Giant beast in the shake the tree. So I knew it was going that way, so I turned right. But I thought it was about 90 degrees, and then boom, down the hill.
Okay, give it back.
I mean, Bash Mountain. This is going to be very difficult.
Worse than level 3.
It does, but you got to try. Here we go. She's got this. She's got this. Launched. It's up there. I think it's upside down, so that means I'm going. Oh. Oh. No. No, I think it flipped back over. Either way, someone's got to go up there. It's me. Okay. Well, here's the really cool thing. It is right side up, so I didn't have to do that, but yeah, okay. We needed to be up here anyway. Abby, it was right side up. This is crazy. This is really eroded a lot. But you know what? He successfully did that side, ring level 2. Look at that. Look where Abby is. Let's go for, okay, round 2 again, level 2. Oh, hold on. Whoa, okay. Okay. It's okay, it landed upright, but hold on. It did land on its spoiler, but I think it's okay. I think you're okay. It wants to be free. It is so tall up here. Oh, come on, Abby. Ha. Try not to hit me, please. It's so hard to record this and look out for my safety. I'm telling you guys, this is such a massive RC now. Oh, Abby. Oh, no. No. Do you guys see what just happened? That's a really bad spot. Yeah, give it some juice. You got to be able to break out of there. Yes, good job, good job. Bad filming, but there it goes. She's gonna redeem herself here. She's going to redeem herself. It's hard, it changes, so makes it really challenging. Girl. Oh, come on, it got stuck again. There, yeah, almost reverse. There you go. That thing is so powerful it can just knock the forest down. Ha! Taking trees down as she goes. That's pretty funny. She is like, I know what she's thinking right now. She's really determined. Pretty frustrated probably. Super hot. Well, she's already conquered level 2. On to level 3. This is it. This is why we're here. This is gonna be fun. She's gonna break something or launch this thing to the moon. That is going to happen in this video. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, that's hilarious. We've never done it like that. That was funny. Ka-choosh. Oh no. All right, she's got it once. Let's go again. Bash Mountain is not so easy, Abby. She said that didn't sound good. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what? I see the strap of the battery is just hanging out. Oh, wow, that almost hit me. I didn't move. I was just like, there's no way that could actually hit me. Wow, we're done. I think we should be done.
We filmed a couple TikTok videos off this camera. So if you're not on TikTok, we do some original content over there. So go check that out. But last ramp here, and my steering isn't working. So I'm guessing something's just popped out of place.
We'll see.
Let's hope. Let's hope.
It doesn't sound stripped.
It doesn't. It's just not moving.
Oh yeah, there's a rock down here and the servo saver is actually saving it. So see a little rock cut in here?
Like you just
Watch
shake
this.
it.
Probably would work, but we're gonna use the key. There, look at that.
Yay! So nothing broke.
Nothing broke, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Double check, make sure it's all working. I hate when you run RCs without the body on it.
Oh, I know, it looks horrible. I can't stand it, but that's a good quick way to check it instead of doing all the body clips. That's great,
Yeah.
that's really good. The servo saver actually works, and it works while it's driving too. I just want to point out, I work really hard for these videos. I'm also kind of sick right now. I'm drenched in sweat.
Bugs are swarming.
Bugs are swarming. This is crazy.
Well, that was awesome. So much fun. I cannot believe this made it through Bash Mountain without anything breaking. We just had that little rock. Servo saver saved our servo. Nothing was stripped. Everything is intact and functioning as brand new. So that's great. This has proven to be Arrma tough. And that is why Arrma has such a good name for durability, because of tests like this. When we take it to the hardest place we could to bash it, and it comes out just dominating.
I mean, Abby, you slammed the side of Bash Mountain
Multiple times.
in a few different spots. Didn't even make it past the rocks.
Plus, I did like 4 more ramps on each level for TikTok, so
And Instagram.
you all missed all that.
Yeah.
So if you're not following us on our other platforms, you need to do that because we put some fun content out. This is awesome. I love it. I love the teal, but if you're not a fan, they call it green. But if you're not a fan of that, they have it in blue too.
The classic blue.
It's like a royal blue.
It's the classic Arrma blue.
Yeah. And that looks pretty cool too, but this is my favorite and I love it. This will be linked down in the description box below. If you guys appreciate our content, clicking that link helps support us and it doesn't cost you any extra. And Nate's back there fighting the bugs and I'm just dealing with it as I talk to you guys. But clicking that link just means so much to us. It doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps support our channel and our family. And it just means so much that if you watch our content, we help you decide that this is the RC that you want to buy. Clicking that link just helps support us and we just appreciate it. Well, this is awesome. And for just a great day, sweating all, I want to thank God. This was so much fun and we're just so blessed to be able to share it with you guys. I also want to say a huge thanks to our RC patron family members. If it wasn't for you guys pushing us and supporting us, we would probably be in bed right now because we're both under the weather.
That's right.
So thank you guys so much for your support. I will have this speed test of this Arrma Kraton popping up right about now where Nate beats me and I'm not happy about it. So go check that out and we'll see you over there. Bye!